Lam.
Lam.
No. This is
Lamb.
exactly. In Arabic is light. English, I know, yes, sometimes it is really, like when you say just like really. We don't say really in English, we say really. Yeah, so it is heavy, but in
It's
Arabic is
Alif Lam. It's actually Alif Lam Mim. Is that right?
exactly.
Okay.
That's
I
right.
always
So
said
Alif.
Alif Lam Mim.
Now,
Okay.
from now on, you say lam.
Okay. Lamb. Okay.
Yeah. Meme.
Meme.
Yeah. Alif lam meme. Good.
Noon.
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 Noon. Noon.
Noon.
Noon.
Noon.
Yes. This is a ha.
Ha.
Yeah, like H in English. Yeah, ha.
Ha.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, W in English. This is Hamza.
Hamza.
Yeah, Hamza is the sound A in Arabic. Hamza is a sound
Ah.
exactly like the first English sound A. Yeah. The last letter, you know it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. You said
Yeah.
it. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, which is the last Arabic sound. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay?
Yeah.
As you see here, all these letters are in English. I mean, the sounds of these letters are in English. Ka, la, ma, na, ha, wa, a, and ya. Yeah? So only like 8 or 10 letters or 10 sounds not in English, but the majority, like 15, 17 sounds still in English. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Alhamdulillah, you don't have any problem with any sound of that, so that is great, and that is gonna help us, يعني, going really well, yeah. Once you master these letters, you know what is coming is just easy. Sometimes we're
Mm-hmm.
gonna say ta, sometimes we're gonna say ti, yeah, la or li or lu, la longer or li, yeah,
Me.
longer, and so on, which is pretty easy and like continuously you're gonna go, yani, really fast, so no worries about that.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
So let's practice all of them now, and that is okay if you make some mistakes, no problem. Just go.
Alif.
Yeah,
Ya, Da.
good.
Da.
Nice.
Jim.
Perfect. You're perfect one. Hmm.
Jim.
Now,
Oh, no. Ha.
yeah, exactly. Good.
Ha.
Nice.
Dal.
Yes, but not dal. Yani try to be light. Dal.
Dal.
Yes, and here you said what? What was right, but say it again.
Ha.
Yes, ha. You said it heavy. Nice.
Zal.
Yes.
Ra.
Perfect.
Zal.
Yeah, zay. This is zay.
Zai. Zai. Yeah.
Yeah.
Zai. Yeah. Okay. Seen. Sheen.
Yeah. Now we're
Dod.
gonna
Dod.
now we're gonna struggle a little bit, huh?
Yeah. Is it Dod?
No, before it.
Dod.
Spad.
Sod. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Sod.
Now you're saying it
Sod.
perfectly. I see it. Yeah. Now is nice. Sod.
Sod.
No, now is bad.
Okay.
Before that.
Sod.
Yes. Sod.
Sod.
Yes, exactly. Bod. This one is a bod,
Dod.
which is
Dod.
pushing with your edge of the tongue to the molars, like ab. When we say ab, say it.
Dod.
Yeah.
Dod. Dod.
No, 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 no. Bod.
Bod.
Keep this one. One more time.
Bod.
Perfect. Next ones.
This is daw.
Perfect.
And then thaw.
Yes, but heavy. The.
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 Yes. In Arabic, we have heavy and light, as we told. Yes. So these 4 letters, heavy ones. We only have like 7 letters heavy. For
Okay.
always these 7 heavy, like heavy. Yes. And we have only 2 letters, sometimes heavy, sometimes light.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But anyway, yeah, don't make you confused like now. So all these 4 letters are heavy, like
Mm-hmm.
consecutive like letters. Sa, ba, ba, va. As you say, we don't say sa, da, ta, the. No, we say sa, ba, ba, va. Heavy
Okay.
sounds and
Yeah.
letters. Good.
Okay. Helpful. Yeah.
Go on.
Then this is the Ain.
Ayn.
Ain.
Mhm.
Rain.
Not okay. Ghain is heavy.
Rain.
Yes, Ra is one of the heavy ones.
Okay. Ain. Rain.
No, no, not غين. غين.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were saying it wasn't. Okay. Ein, Rein.
Yeah, this is
Rein.
heavy one. This is the light version of it, which is عين.
Ein, Rein.
Yeah, it has a dot, so it is heavy. This?
Meme.
No,
Oh, sorry.
focus.
It's is that
It's a
no, it's not.
fa.
Yeah, okay.
No, one more
Tha,
time. Fa, fa, fa.
tha.
No, fa, like F, like if,
Oh,
F,
fa.
fa. Yeah.
Yeah, fa. Okay.
Say it again.
Fa,
Yeah, like fat. Yeah, fa.
fa.
Yeah. Qaf,
Qaf,
qaf.
qa,
Yeah, qa is heavy. Is the last of the heavy
qa,
sounds.
qa,
Yeah, we don't say qa. No, we say qa. Say it.
qa.
Yeah, this is the last of the heavy ones.
Then this is gaf,
Yes, but calf.
gaf. Yeah, gaf.
Nice.
Lam,
Nice.
meme,
Good.
noon,
Noon. Yeah.
ha, ha,
Light. Light. Light.
ha,
Nah. Yeah, it is right, but you have to make it light, not heavy. You when you
ha,
say ha is light is heavy.
ha,
No, just lighter.
ha,
Yes. Ha. Ha. Ha.
ha,
Ha.
ha,
Ha. Yeah. Ha.
ha.
Good.
Whoa,
Wow.
wow, wow.
Wow. Yeah, like wow.
Hamza,
Hamza, which is a sound a.
ah, yeah,
Yes, not ya. It is just yeah, 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 yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah. Nice.
yeah.
Okay. Now we can say you know all the Arabic letters. Just let's have like general talk about these letters, some differences in some, and so on. Okay. Anyway, you have any questions about any letters? Any something you want to clarify?
Um, I still have a hard time with doll,
Yeah.
ball,
Wait.
ball. I
Yes. Let's
gotta just
repeat.
make sure I'm
Let's
doing
repeat
it right.
someone's. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So this one, yeah, once we started today, this one is a
Flawed,
sod.
flawed.
Yes, like as-salah.
As-salah,
Yes,
as-salah,
yeah, not as-salah, as-salah.
as-salah, as-salah,
Yes, as-salah,
salah, as-salah,
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 as-salah.
as-salah,
Yeah, not la. It's like lighter. As-salah.
as-salah,
Yes,
sa,
bod.
dod,
Yeah, ba.
dod. Is it like a? It's not like a T, right? It's like a almost like a dod. Is it like a T?
Yes, exactly, but the heavy version of it.
Dod,
That's
dod,
yes, that's what we
dod,
were saying. That's yeah,
dod.
we're
Okay,
about to
all
say.
right. Now I get
Ta.
it. Okay,
Yeah, this is ta,
dod,
but look,
dod,
this one, I told you
dod.
this is heavy, right?
Yeah.
Look, this one is what?
Da.
Yeah. So look here, this one,
Ah,
the
okay.
highlighted one is
Da.
ta, which is in
Da.
English like T.
Da.
But in Arabic, we have extra one, which is
Da.
exactly good. Ta, ta. And look
Da.
here, we
Da.
have still like similarities like this. This one is the light,
Yeah.
but this one is the same articulation point with but what this is heavier. Va.
Lo. Zo. Zo.
Say it.
Zo.
Nice. Yeah. So this is what?
Za.
This is
Zo.
good.
Ein. Ein.
Ghain.
Ein.
Yeah. Now this is heavy or light? This one.
This is the heavy one.
Yeah, say it.
Qaf.
Good. This one is
This one is fa.
exactly. You were confusing. You were confusing saying these. Yeah. Yeah, and we have dal. Okay. Which your hair is light. This one is
This one is
dal.
dal. Yeah, dal.
Da.
Yeah.
Like
This is the
da.
light one. Dal.
Dal. Yeah, but some people just saying dal, ba, like this. They are confusing between these two ones. Yeah. But this is even is completely different. We're pushing our tongue
Dal.
sides to the molars. So say it.
Yeah. Ball. Ball.
No, no,
Ball.
no. This one. The highlighted one.
Highlight one. Ball.
Yeah, but it
Ball.
ends with a da. Bod.
Dod.
Yes,
Dod.
bod.
Dod.
Yes,
Dod.
bod.
Dod.
Yes. Good. Yeah, I think you have no problems with these letters. I hope you're gonna practice all of them for the next time, inshallah.
Yeah.
Okay, all of them really well. Keep practicing them. Yeah, things gonna be easy, inshallah. We're gonna take them, but in a different way for the next time.